And I just going to walk straight across.
Yeah, straight on there.
And we have our...
You're going to hit more tactile here.
oh yeah, have you now?
Keep going forward with it.
Oh yeah, forward. Yeah, and we have a big sign ahead.
Yeah, you hit more tactile.
Ah, very
Now
good.
you'll be hanging right and you're straight.
And straight across. That's a job well done. Thanks, Mike. That's perfect. 100%. Thanks again. Keep left. Fair play. That's working out nicely. Now, that's all good. And I was just going to check one little thing out. There's our... oh, there's the doors. So, if we walked forward, that's one of the platforms there, bus bays. And if we walk back, there are the two metal stands. There's a bus already in there. So we head out. And there's another bus bay, you can feel that. And then we're all good now. Thanks very much. Now, follow that. And then we're on the last of the bus bays. Now,
If you're so intelligent.
there's the barrier. Crossing a pedestrian crossing to the island, and I think we follow that until we get to the other island, and we walk forward again. Good stuff, very good.